Good evening. Today we'll be presenting on Wahl's hot cold therapeutic body massager. It's $30. You can find more information on wahl.com, wahl.com. It runs on 120 hertz and 60 volts on AC power.
So this therapeutic massager comes with 7 different types of heads. The first head is a deep heating attachment, which they claim that it warms and heats to soothe aching muscles. The next attachment, which is here in this ice chest already, is the cold attachment, which reduces joint swelling and muscle inflammation. The next attachment is the triad attachment. It's a 3-point massage to cover a large surface area. Then the 4-finger flex attachment replicates a human's touch for massaging. The facial attachment relieves headaches and sinus pressure. The power disc stimulates blood flow in tight muscles and injured areas. And the spot application does pinpointing for any problematic areas. And so we have a patient here who has lateral spondylitis on his left. And so we will first be using the deep heating attachment on his left elbow. Another thing too with this therapeutic massager is that it has a variable speed dial to match the intensity for the massage preference.
Hey, Kevin.
So the heat is on.
So this massager has some contraindications provided in the manual. One being with the heated attachment, it may cause serious burns and do not use over insensitive skin areas or in presence of poor circulation. And don't let use with children or incapacitated people. And also, just for more contraindications, it says do not massage over sensitive skin, swollen or inflamed areas, and when there's skin eruptions, and in the presence of varicose veins, front of the neck, genital areas, or when someone's sleeping.
So now that his muscles are warmed up and loosened, I'm going to switch it over to the spot application and apply some free up on his elbow to get a more precise soft tissue massage.
According to the manual for massaging on the elbow, according to the manual for the elbow, it relieves tired and aching joint with smooth circular strokes, which Jon will perform. Some more contraindications for the Wahl therapeutic body massager. It contains a electric magnetic motor, so you should avoid massaging within 6 inches of an implanted cardiac device. Another contraindication is do not use the massager in close proximity to loose clothing or jewelry.
And so after a few minutes of this, we could then finish off with the cold attachment.
So some cold contraindications. It says never apply the gel pack directly to skin because it may cause frostbite. And the gel pack and cottons are safe and used only when directed. Also, it says be careful with patients that are pregnant, have diabetes, or have illness when using the massager.
Then once again, after a few minutes of this, we can ask our patient, how does your elbow feel now?
Feels good.
All right. And there's our massager.
Awesome. So I'm just going to talk about some pros and cons real quick. Pros, well, for one, it's really cheap. You know, I picked it up for $30 at Walmart. You know, and pretty much anyone can afford it. It's really easy to use. You know, even though we're physical therapy students, the average individual can definitely learn how to use this. It's just by reading the manual or, you know, trying it out on their own. Cons, the downside is you can't really get deep heating or, you know, a real good amount of temperature change. It's kind of superficial, and it's hard to determine how much temperature change actually occurs without using a thermometer, maybe like this. The frequency is also hard to determine. Like there's these dial settings which alter the vibration, but you know, it's kind of, it doesn't really tell you what specifically it is. Some evidence that we have regarding vibrational massage, we have one study by Fuller et al., and that study shows that vibration massage actually reduces delayed onset muscle soreness. Another study by Imtiaz also demonstrated that, again, it prevents delayed onset muscle soreness, and it also reduces the amount of lactate. So that's another reason why that it's useful. One further study we looked up, Kraft et al., showed that patients with fibromyalgia syndrome actually had reduced pain with the usage of deep oscillation vibrations. So considering that it's useful for people with that type of syndrome, it can be helpful for people with any type of pathology or just want something to feel good.
And so this is our product that we're presenting. This is the cold hot therapy by Wahl. Thank you for watching.